What's up everybody, this is Hydrotech, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create group chats on Instagram. But before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and of course like the video. And yeah, hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications from me. Right, let's get into it. I'm pretty sure you guys didn't even know that Instagram allowed to create group chats, but and guess what? It does allow, and I have a couple of them already created, although they're pretty much dead. But let's go see how to create them. First off, of course, you're gonna have to open Instagram. And then you'll just go to your PMs, your private messages. Once you're in your private messages section, just tap the plus button right there and select, well, any of your friends, like gamer friends. I don't know, just select whoever you want. Let's say these two guys, and oops, yeah, and let's say this one and this Catboy one, I suppose. Of course, there's some problems on with this app. I won't be able to fully create the group chat, but this is how you do it. Then you just press this arrow right here at the top left corner, and it should, oops, my bad, a back button, but it actually worked once when I created a group chat with it. I just tapped the button and it took me to the next page. I guess that was a glitch then. Alright. Oh yeah, and by the way, in one video I will show you how to get a keyboard just like mine, you know, customized. So yeah. Now, just type in the message and say, hello. Just hit the send button and it should send. What happened? Wait. Oops. Okay. As you can see, the group chat is created. Now you can name the group chat. Let's say tutorial. Whoops. For YouTube. And hit enter. Of course, you can't add profile pictures to your group chat, but you can mute notifications here if you want to, or you can well, you can, well, you know, leave the conversation, or I don't know if you can kick people out, but you can add in people by tapping this add people button, and then just select any person you want to add. Like, oops, I won't add him because of certain things, but I'll add this guy. Let's say, oh, right there, this one, and this one, and then click tap done and OK. As you can see, the new users have been added. So that's basically it. I don't know if you can remove anyone from the group. Yeah, and surprisingly, it created the group. Earlier I tried to create one and kinda failed. I had this network error issue come up. I don't know what's with it, but I'll try to figure it out, guys, and I'll make a video on how to solve that. But yeah, let's try to tap on that. Nope, it just takes me to the profile. Guess you can't remove people from the group, or maybe can you? Well, in any case, I'll figure this all out and make another video. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll stay safe, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace out.